Hello again, friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today we are checking out a USB-C hub. So it's a 9-in-1 from Komkaer. It works with MacBook Pro, Chromebook, other Type-C devices. Trying to open the box here, it's a little difficult. Alright, so inside, that's the top. Instructions. That's it. So first glance, there it is. Okay, we got 3 USB, I believe 3.0 jacks there. Nothing on this side. Okay, you have an HDMI, also USB C port here. I wish they were labeled on there, but I mean most people know what these things are. And here you have your, looks like a micro SD and an SD card reader. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. All right, and on the end your gigabyte LAN plug-in right there. So Ethernet plug. So that's that. Nice sleek little device here. Oh, also on this end, what is that? Oh, audio jack there on the end there. Kind of hard to see, but it's right there. So that's that, my friends. And then obviously on this point here is the USB-C also, so you could plug that into your MacBook Pro and get rolling. I'm gonna try to use this on my Google Pixel XL, see what kind of devices I can hook up into it. Don't think it's really designed specifically for that, more like a computer type thing than a phone, but we'll check it out. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and we'll see you in a little bit, my friends. Alright, friends, so I hooked up a external hard drive to the USB-C 9-port hub to my Google Pixel 2 XL here, and so it recognizes it. It just says like, do you want to format it? So obviously I have pictures on my hard drive. I don't want to format it right now, so I don't want to do that. So it does recognize it though, and you can use it through there, I'm pretty sure. If I had a MacBook Pro, this review would be a lot better. I just wanted to make sure that I could, it was accessible through Google Pixel phone as well. Okay, so I also have a little scan disk, SD card, and we're going to slip it into there. Okay. Alright, didn't see that, so I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. Got a bunch of cords here, so I just stuck the SD card in right there, and I'll see if I can find it on my phone here. Where am I? We're on this side, okay. Screen recorder, 2 apps. I'm not a professional on the phone by any means. I recently got this, so I'm not even sure how I'd be able to access the storage. Maybe. Okay, so under storage, I'm finding the SD card in there also. It says it's corrupted, so but it is recognizing it. So we've had a little issue with my SD card. I use it in my Nikon camera, so it is recognizing it. So all these things, it seems would work. I mean, this works pretty well. I'm not sure if I can, through a phone, connect it, use the HDMI to connect it to a TV. I'm just not sure that it'll work like that, but if you had a MacBook Pro, this thing would be awesome as far as just be able to hook up all your devices to it and be able to run it easy and quickly. So anyways, the parts that I am able to test out, it does recognize it with the Google Pixel. So that's the Komkaer 9-port USB hub. So it pretty much has everything that you need on there to be able to connect to. And yeah, I just wish I could show you more. I'm kind of limited with what my phone can do in regards to that. So anyways, everyone, thanks for watching this review. Have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.